Okay, dia start tanah ni. Kalau nampak rumah nombor 18 dan apartment kat belakang tu, dia start on the left. Kita akan pergi drive, tengok rumah-rumah sebelah kanan ni semua rumah-rumah banglo. So this is quite elite area lah. So they're very cozy, banyak pokok, banyak hutan. Okay, this is on the left. As you go out up to Jalan Uping Raya Merewah ni, 9/3, start daripada sini lah tanah tu, 2 acre plus. Start daripada corner ni, okay, all the way down. You tengok kalau you bina kondo tu, you akan nampak sebelah kanan ni Shah Alam punya mosque. Nampak tak? Okay, as you go further up, this is all the nice area, Malay area lah, tapi kawasan yang baik lah, tak ada pollution. It's slightly going outwards. Sini pun you boleh tengok view dia.